guys, welcome back to another video of Teach with Koala, and right here as you can see is my word list document. You know what we're going to be doing with this, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to upload PDF documents in the web browser in Koala. Without much ado, let's enjoy the video. So this right here is my word list documents, as I said before, and if I want to open it in Koala, all I basically have to do is open up Koala, start a room. So guys, once you're inside your room in Koala, open up the web browser. So let me just put it on full screen mode. Just click on this arrow icon up here. And there we have it. Go to documents and search for the document you want. There's my word list document right there. Click on it, open it up, and voila, that's all, guys. And I have my word list document in the web browser in Koala opened up right here. Thank you guys for watching this video, and it's as simple as that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a lovely day, guys.